'cause he is Mr. Cocaine. Yes, hey, better with him in my head. Yes, I can. He's the dopest ever. That don't mean it's good just 'cause he's the dopest ever. That don't mean I should. So Mr. Cocaine, could you please get up out my head? No, I can't. Mr. Cocaine, it's like pregnancy, illness, thing, yes, I can. Mr. Cocaine, control my head. I can't live with my head. Yes, I can. He's the dopest ever. That don't mean it's good. Just 'cause he's the dopest ever. That don't mean I should. 'Cause Mr. Cocaine, please get it out my head. Yo, he can.
Oh, thank you. Again, that's what it's all PG. Give me info real fast, man.
Okay, Philly Soul Feast, FPS.com, Philly Soul Feast on everything. Facebook, Philly Soul Feast, FPS. Thank you.
Do y'all mind if I do another one?
Oh, okay.
Can I do another one? I don't know. Cause I was Mr. Cook. Fuck, you know, I ain't got no band with me right now. And
Right.
I got music, but fuck it, I don't feel like going through all that. So, drinks. I told. Oh, too many drinks.
Yeah.
Y'all drunk?
Who's drunk?
Anybody in here a little high?
Hey, that's yours?
Thank you.
Give me my
Fuck
drink.
it,
Can
I
I get
am.
my drink?
If y'all not.
Give me my drink.
So I'm gonna do too many drinks real fast, and I guess we're gonna go on to the next person, you know. Another original, by the way, I write everything that I sing. Everything that I sing. I don't do covers, not knocking anybody. Where's the girl that was up here before?
Yeah, she was
oh my
dope.
god, you're fucking
Where is she?
awesome. Where's she at?
Where?
I can't see.
Right there. She's
Oh,
awesome.
awesome. I won't write for you, but anyway, next story. So, okay, I'm gonna do too many drinks.
And I ooh.
Who are you? I don't give a fuck. I can smell it in the air, all the weed and liquor, all the sweat from people, everyone's in here. I can sense it if you can, I can feel the danger, eyes from every angle, yeah, I'm still in here. Too many drinks got me swearing I'm wrong, 'cause I'm drunk and ain't ready to go home. Yeah, I need a bed, but right now this bar stool will do. Should have learned, 'cause yesterday I was worse. It's time to go. Now the clock says 45 past 4 in the morning. DJ's getting it on and I'm still in the crowd. I just heard somebody say, yo, this party's moving. What am I gonna do when everyone's around? Too many drinks got me glad I ain't drive, 'cause I'm drunk. So where the fuck is my ride? Yeah, I need a bed, but right now this backseat is fine.